Okay, so this question talks about a map, and it gives us a scale to work with. And when we read the questions themselves, it says, what is the three-figure bearing of Lyon from Bordeaux? So we go through and do our usual thing for bearings. We know it's going to involve a protractor and a ruler to do the measuring of straight lines, etc. So it says Bordeaux and Lyon. So we need to join those two together. And it's given us a north line for a reason, to show the direction of north for doing bearings. And it says Lyon from Bordeaux. So our north line needs to be drawn from Bordeaux. So we get our protractor, and we should remember that bearings are all to do measuring from north, turn clockwise, and whatever angle we turned, then that is the bearing. And bearings must have 3 digits, so bearings have 3 digits. Okay, so we measure this angle then, and north is 0, 0, 0 degrees, 3 digits. So we've put our protractor on the north line, and we've measured around the angle, and we can see that it's the outside scale we're using, because we should always be counting upwards. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 84 degrees. So that angle was 84 degrees. So when we come to this question, we can see that says, what is the three-figure bearing? Circle your answer. Well, the closest that is from our measurement was that one there, 0853, 085 degrees. Okay, so that's how the bearings question is going to work. So it's important that we learn how to use our bearings, because again they come up as quite a popular question. The question then says, work out the actual distance, the straight line distance from Paris to Marseille. So again, we're going to have to join up Paris and Marseille. Straight line distance. Make sure our 0 is at one end of the line, and we can see that when we get our head over this really carefully, it's 7.9 centimetres. 7.9 centimetres. So when it comes to doing the answer then, they gave us a scale of 1 centimetre represents 80 kilometres. So we're going to have to do 7.9 times 80 kilometres. So 7 times 80 is 560 kilometres. 7 8s are 56, then times by the 10 to get the 80, so 560. And then we're doing 0.9 times 80. Well, 9 8s are 72, and then we're moving it one place because of the 10. So it's going to be 72 altogether, because 0.9 times 8 would be 7.2. Times by the 10 gets 72 kilometres. And then when we add those together, we get 632 kilometres. So the answer here, 632 kilometres. Again, we worked that out by using scale. We recognise what the scale was telling us, measure the distance accurately, getting our head over. That's how we can do that kind of question.